What's up, guys? Hope you guys are doing good. This is just going to be a quick little tabletop review of this Taurus TX22. This is a 22 caliber rimfire pistol, and I've had it for a few months and have really not shot it a ton until this past weekend. I think this is the full size. I think they have a compact. I think they might have an optics ready. They might have a competition model, but this is just the standard full size version. Did come with two mags. They work really well. They hold 16, I think. Honestly, I have just been loading 15. It's just easier for me to keep up with 15 rounds. I don't know, something in my brain. So I've just been loading 15, so it may hold 16, it may hold 17. Mags work well, they're polymer. The sights are decent. You can adjust the windage with these sights. I plan on probably getting this slide cut or getting a aftermarket slide for the top for an optic. It is threaded from the factory, which I think is nice. I'd pretty much a bulletproof little pistol as far as operation. I did start having some problems after shooting it with some CCI Blazer. The ammo that this thing likes is high velocity stuff, lighter bullets. The two best that I have found is the Winchester, that really hot Winchester stuff, like 1300 feet per second, 37 grain stuff. And then I've just been shooting just Federal bulk pack. This is 36 grain stuff, about 1250 feet per second, I think. Yeah, 1260. It likes the high velocity stuff. It likes the hotter ammo. I do have this little CV Life flashlight laser combo. I like it. It's still working. I plan on this being my little skunk nighttime setup. We live really close to some chicken houses. The laser is no longer on 0. So in the future, I'm probably gonna take this off. It does add a little bit of weight on there. CV Life sent me this, but I think they're about 30 bucks. It works good, especially the light. On one side, I can push down and then let up and the light goes off, or like that would be handy for target acquisition, and then I can just flip it down and it's on permanent. I do wish this was a red or green lens, but they also have two different options for safety. I bought the non-safety one. I think that I would want the safety now after using this. So 4 pounds, 14 ounces. That's pretty consistent. I've been getting some readings up into just barely over 5 pounds. So 5 pound trigger, that's not bad. It actually feels, the trigger feels really good. Really good feeling trigger for a pistol, especially a budget pistol. The grip is awesome. I really like the texture of it. I think it's a polymer frame, aluminum slide, but feels really good. For the amount that I've been shooting it and the lack of care, it's running really good. Really dependable pistol. I do think in the future I'm gonna get a slide cut or get the aftermarket slide, get a laser on there that I like, and get a Concealment Solutions holster for it. But I'm about, let's say 7 yards away from my target right here. I'm shooting down into a creek bank with the 22 caliber, especially a pistol. Make sure you're shooting in a safe direction. I'm shooting down into a creek bank right here. All right, here we go. Shooting in a safe direction. I've got 15 of those Federals loaded up. Probably shoot like a 5-shot slow group and then do 10 shots rapid fire. So here we go. So, not the worst work for me this morning. That was all within about a 3-inch. Let's do a rapid fire group. I'm gonna switch hands. I'm a little bit quicker with my right hand rapid fire. So, here we go. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. I hope you guys are doing good, getting some time to get out there and shoot for yourself. Let me know what you think about the Taurus TX22 down in the comment section. That's it from me today, guys. I'll see you later.